Not getting too much work done with all this rain. It's kind of surprised. But in the Silverado, had a check engine light come on, and it's very unhappy. I'm not sure what's going on with it. So we're gonna check the check the code and see what it is. But it's very boggy. It dips into gas okay, but you try to take off a little bit harder from a light, and it won't do anything. So put it on the scanner and see what it is. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see what it is. We got the brake issue. We got the engine control module. What is it? Knock sensor. Okay. That's weird. Seems like everything's knock sensor related. I don't know what's up with that. But let's clear it. Bank 2, huh? Alright. So, lost communication with engine control module. Bus signal erratic. Okay, so that's all dealing with our electronic brake control. Interesting. Not sure how to fix that one per se. I'll have to read up some more on that. Alright, clear codes. Alright. Alright, brake control module came back on. So that one's, we'll have to check into that more. Okay, well, I'll keep you posted. That's what we find out. Alright, you can't see me too well. Tonight's project is work on the Silverado. Yesterday, it rained a bunch, and I didn't get very much work done, but ran the truck through some puddles, and it severely acted up on the check the codes, and the lock sensors were the issue. Not sure why. Let's see what I got. I got tire codes now. I got the engine code on. The whole truck's just falling apart. I was able to get 2 clutches swapped out on the ZK, so that was nice. And I got checked the trailer brake system. So we're gonna try to left rear tire low. Add air to tire. Alright, so we're gonna try to do these knock sensors real quick. We're at 8 o'clock. We'll see how it goes. Alright, here's our new knock sensors. I'm gonna make sure you get the round plug there. It's got some little safety clips. Let's see what size this is. I'm guessing half. Half, 13. Get over here. Yep. Anyways, they're 1/2 inch. So we got that, and this is part number from, this is SB, there we go. SBA 3656. 2 of the same. It's bank 2 is the code I had. It's a 332 knock sensor, low voltage circuit, something. So I've got any other videos. So we're going to swap these out. I'll probably put some anti-seize on the, that's scary. Put some anti-seize on the threads. Tighten them down and go from there. We'll give you a little video of what it looks like under a truck, and go take it for a drive and see, hopefully, if that's fixed. I got a a bridge to go over tomorrow, so it was not happy in town. Taking off, it was timing so bad, it was uncomfortable to drive, but we made it. We have to be careful pulling out though, so I didn't hurt me or anybody else. So, all right, let's knock this out. Uncensored. It feels pretty good tonight after all the rain. So right now, here's the codes. Yep, 1 fault code. Gonna go through and find all the brake codes. I think it might be an EBCM issue. Alright. So there you go. PO332 knock sensor. And then we got the trailer one there. So that one's for the trailer brake control relay. The electronic brake control module didn't pop up today. Interesting. Alright, so let's clear these. Alright. Alright, all gone. Let's get to work. Alright, so knock sensor location. Definitely easier than the old 99 to 06 trucks to a degree. So I have to take the intake off. There we go. Camera's wanting, my phone's wanting to switch on me. So you got this little clip here that we got to get off. And then once you get that off, we can unbolt that and be good to go. So let me get the this clip out and we'll go from there. Alright, it's out. So it didn't seem as tight as maybe it should be or could be. Slight recess there. So now I'm going to put the camera down here. And maybe my arms won't be in the way while we slide the new one in. Went ahead and put some anti-seize on the threads. We'll clock it the same direction best we can. Pop it out a little bit. So hopefully this will do the trick. I don't know if it's magnetic or maybe it's magnetic. You know, I think it is magnetic. Interesting. Alright, so there's that. It feels magnetized to some degree. That's interesting. I have no idea. Alright, let's slide it on here. Got a little piece of little gasket here, which is good. See, I'm kind of wondering if all the rain yesterday kind of messed up my originals. I don't know. But this shouldn't take too long. Listen to 1320 at the last video of FL2K. I'm glad Cletus won with Leroy. Alright. Alright. A little more. Alright, so I'll get my ratchet. I got the little spinner on there which helped lock it in. Alright, I tightened it down to where it was the thumb, as you saw. So I did not check on the torque specs, but definitely don't want to over tighten it. Yeah, look at that. Perfect fit. Oh, good click. I like it. Alright, we'll snap our clip on there and go drive it here in a few minutes, see what it does. Hopefully it's the fix. It would be nice. Like I said, it was really a dog to drive today. We survived, but you had to be a little strategic. Couldn't pull out in the traffic quick. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, next side. All right, take two by near the starter there. We'll see if that one's any harder to get to, but basically the same premise, as you might guess. So I'm going to get the connection off and so forth. We'll go from there. All right, taking it for a drive. No light on currently, and so far it feels good. So I'm just going to do a little lap around, get it to some different speeds, and see what it does. Anything else weird pops up, I'll let you know. But overall, pretty cheap and simple. A weird replacement. I don't know why. I don't know if water just got in through the bolt or what. But anyways, thankfully, what seems to be a pretty easy fix, thankfully. So I'll touch base with you in a few. All right. Used the truck for about 5 hours now, and those knock sensors fixed it. So if you have a PO 332 with a low voltage, low circuit bank 2 knock sensor code. Change the knock sensor. I went ahead and just changed both. You know, up to $50–$60 and you're back on the road in my case. So hope that helps you out.